What is going on, guys? Firstly, I know it's been a while since I last posted. I have intentionally been off of YouTube for a while now to kind of understand the platform and also understand the dynamics of it. But since it's a new year, we all have resolutions, right? And one of my main resolutions for this year is to really focus on this platform and post more content on a more consistent basis. So here we are. So moving forward, the plan is to post 2 videos a week, once every Monday, which is going to be more of a recipe, low-calorie recipe video like this one, and once every Thursday, which is going to be more of a fitness-related self-improvement video. So with that out of the way, let's now jump into the actual video. Today we'll be making low-calorie Kadai Paneer. Now, the point of these videos is not to show you something that you don't already know, or to show you some crazy over-the-top recipe, or it's also not to show that I'm a good cook, because I'm not even close. But the point of these videos is to show you how you can incorporate the already existing Indian foods that we all know of by making small tweaks to it so that we can add it into our diet and still make progress in the gym. If you take the same exact measurements of all the ingredients that I use in the recipe, not even all the ingredients, just the main ingredients predominantly, the masalas like turmeric, garam masala, salt, pepper, they can all be added based on your preferences because they're all at negligible calories, so that doesn't really matter. But if you take the same exact measurements of the key ingredients, just like I do, then you will know exactly how many calories you're consuming through that meal. It just becomes so much more simpler, guys. I am here to show you that you don't have to eat bland food and salads all day to lose weight. You can eat your favorite foods and still lose weight as long as few establishments are made, like being on a calorie deficit, working out, and stuff like that. But think about it, guys. Don't you think it'll be great to add our basic Indian meals into our diet and make our fitness journey more sustainable? If so, if yes, hit that like button down below. With that being said, let's now jump into the recipe. And like always, the entire calorie and the macronutrient breakdown will be mentioned at the end. So make sure you stay tuned and watch the entire video. And also, all the ingredients used for this recipe is mentioned down in the description below. With that, let's now make some low-calorie Kadai Paneer. First, we'll make the Kadai masala. So on medium flame, dry roast 1 tablespoon of Coriander Seeds, 1 tablespoon of Cumin Seeds, half tablespoon of Fennel Seeds, 1/4 tablespoon of Peppercorn, and 2 to 3 Red Chillies for about 2 to 3 minutes. Let's then set it aside to cool and then grind it into a fine powder. What many people do next is saute the cubed onions and bell peppers in oil, but we are not going to add any oil here. So what I did here was I added the onions first, sauteed it for a few minutes, and then added the bell peppers, sauteed until the onions turn lightly golden. Once that's done, keep it aside, and then on medium flame, let's take 7 grams or half tablespoon of oil and add it into a pan, along with 1 to 2 green chilies based on your preferred spice level, and then 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and cook it until the raw smell goes away. Next, let's add 1 medium onion chopped and mix till it turns golden brown. After that, add 2 medium chopped tomatoes along with salt as per your taste. Once the tomatoes break down, time to add the masalas. So let's start off with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, and then finally the Kadai masala. Cook the masala and then add water to bring it to a consistency of your liking and let it simmer for a bit. Next, add the sauteed veggies along with 450 grams of cubed paneer, and then just mix, and mix. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream and give it a few more stirs, and there you go. Kadai Paneer is all set and ready to be eaten with either rice or roti. Now for the calorie and the macronutrient breakdown, the total recipe is 1780 calories, of which 58 grams are carbs, 120 grams are fat, and 120 grams are protein. If you divide this into 4 servings, then each serving is 445 calories, of which 14 grams are carbs, 30 grams are fat, and 30 grams are protein. Hopefully you enjoyed the recipe. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like, and also please do consider subscribing to the channel, and also do share this video with others, guys. Try the recipe out. Like I mentioned before, the masalas can be added based on your preferences, the salt, the turmeric, all of that. They're pretty low in calories, and not just for this recipe. Any recipe where I add masalas, they can always be added based on your preferences. You can add more chili powder, you can add more garam masala. They are all negligible calories. So do try the recipe out. If you do like it, or if you do try to make them, please tag me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle. And until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.